Hello! I got some happy mail from Brianna Nicole Designz. I do PR for her. Her shop is having a 50% off sale now. I will have the links below. If you go to her Etsy shop, you don't need a code. But if you want to save even more, go to her Shopify. The link will be below and use the code October. The overall prices are cheaper on Shopify because there's less fees. So if you're a big Etsy shopper and you're kind of following the whole thing going along. So like I said, Etsy, you will not need a coupon. The code for the Shopify shop is October. Make sure on both you mention me in the notes, and let's take a look at the new releases. I know today is, I think, the last day for the sale, but 50% off is a good discount. So I'm going to pull this away from the camera so it's not quite so loud, and let's take a look at some of these beautiful new releases. Alright, so she has come out with the character Chloe, who I just think is adorable. So this is Chloe doing laundry, Chloe paying bills. Look, she's starting a little fit. That's kind of how I feel. Look how sad she is. And her money's disappearing. I like Chloe. So I chose a lot of clothes. Here's Chloe crafting. It's all my favorite things to do. Chloe painting. I love watercolor. So here's the Chloe crafting. Here's Chloe planning. I mean, every planner girl needs Chloe planning. Here's grocery shopping, and I like that there's different ones on each sheet. It's not one sheet of all the same, so I like that. All right, this is, looks like boxes with, okay. So this is the October monthly kit. I will get that on my pages, show you what it looks like. So it's got the holidays, the numbers. Here's some like appointment boxes. Here's your sidebar. Look at the kitty cats. Love them. Then there's your paydays, your day offs, icons, your bill dues, and the small full boxes to add a little bit of color. Look at the owls, kitty cats. So there's the October kit, and then it's got, you know, some nice script words, important, birthdays, to buy, to do next month. So we have that. And then this is, alright, I'm trying to make sure I have everything because her kits are very big. So this is the Smell the Roses kit. So we'll go through these. Here's the glitter headers, the days of the weeks, and the numbers. Here are the washies. And I use a Recollections, but I order for the EC, Erin Condren, because they fit almost perfect. Here are the full boxes. How pretty are these? Love these. Here's your heart check boxes. Here's all the pretty deco. And I always get at least 2 spreads with her kits because they have a ton of stuff in them. They're always gorgeous, and a lot of it you can like mix and match with other stuff. She always has a ton of icons and stuff. Like I said, I usually get 2 good layouts with these. Here's your half boxes and your half check boxes and your quarter boxes. Here's all your little things and your to-dos and all that kind of stuff. So that is the Smell the Roses kit. Then the next one, let me make sure I get them all together here. Okay, this is the Pink Fall kit. Here are the extra deco boxes. So you can, you know, choose the girl, or if you're like me, I usually use them all anyway because I think they're all pretty and I like them. But if I had to choose myself, it'd be the little blonde girl down here, even though I just cut all my hair off. Oops. But look, I mean, how gorgeous are these? I always use them all because I think they're pretty. I like them. So here is the sidebar sheet with this kit. It's got 3 trackers. Love that. And then your to go, to buy, to clean, to do, a couple bill dues, and like your meal tracker is what I would use it for. Here is your glitter headers, your days of the week, and your numbers. The heart full boxes. Here, wow. Here are the gorgeous full boxes with this kit. I'll try to hold it so you can get a good look at them. But look at these colors. I mean, I am not an orange and, you know, fall color person. I like the pinks and the greens, so this really works for me. I love these. Here are your quarter boxes. She's got a big variety of them in this kit. Love these. Here are the half boxes. Like I said, her kits are really big. Look at this washi. How pretty is that? Love it. Here is all the icons and your check banners, and all that. She has such cute icons, and I like the mix of the font and how it's still got the cute little picture. Here's all your to-dos, and she's got some new ones on here, your AM routine and your PM routine and your chores. I like that there's new ones added on here. Etsy, dinner, next week. I like that a lot. Here's all your little bits for your trackers and stuff. So there's all kinds of them on here, like those. And here is the deco sheet for this kit. So pretty. Look at those pictures. I'm trying to get a little closer so you can see them good. Really like this. And then this kit has these fall washi strips here too. You could use these for all kinds of things. Gorgeous patterns. Love them. And again, that is the pink fall kit. And I think she has the option where you can buy like just part of the kit, or you can buy the whole kit, but don't forget they're 50% off right now. And then I ordered me one for Halloween. So let me gather it all up here. I thought this was a super cute Halloween-y kit. So this is the Potions kit. So here's my numbers for the days of the week. Here are the different quarter boxes. All kinds of variety. See, I love that all her kits are different. Love that a lot. So here's more your half boxes. Look at this super cute deco. Kitty cats. Love kitty cats. Of course, if you followed my channel, anything at all, you know I have a cat. And I'm getting a new one when I come back from vacation. I've got a cute little kitty. I'm going to call her Eclipse. She's a half-face kitty. Half her face is yellow and half is black, and then she's got like a white nose. She is so cute. Just keep following my Instagram. You'll see tons of pictures starting in November. Trust me. Alright, here are the full boxes. I love this. Don't make me flip my witch switch. Come on. Love it. I was super excited about this kit. Can't wait to use it. This will be my Halloween week kit. Even though it's part of November that week, I don't care. Here's your labels and your little bit boxes. Here is all the functional icons. She's got a ton here. Yeah, look, like pizza night. How cute is that? I don't think I've ever seen that in another kit. Sleep in, pills, pay the bills. Look at the Halloween planner. Love it. Here are your full check boxes. Here is glitter headers and like glitter quarter boxes, half boxes, and some label boxes. Here is functionals, your banners, your icons. This one has 4 trackers and 2 of your sidebars. So I could probably actually get 2 almost full weeks out of this. Look at the washi. Super excited about the washi. I thought these were cute, and I love the bats. These are just, this is the Potions kit. So don't forget that 50% off sale today. You get really good. Alright. So we have some more of the clothes. Like I said, I ordered a lot of the clothes. I really liked her. So here is Chloe relaxing. Chloe making the bed. It's a weekly chore, so it might as well be cute. Chloe watching Netflix. Everybody watches Netflix. Here's Chloe being motivated. I mean, come on. Sometimes you just need something to say, hey, let's go. Ooh, Chloe grocery shopping. I got 2 of those. Here's Chloe traveling. I do have some trips coming up, so I wanted to make sure that I had the vacation girl here. She's excited, she's waiting, she's on a bus, she's flying. And her suitcase. Chloe going to doctor's appointments. Unfortunately with my life, yeah, there's a lot of those. But it happens. Here is Friday Chloe. She's all excited. It's Friday. Everybody's excited on Friday, unless maybe you have to work Saturday. Here's Christmas Chloe. How cute are these? And then I got two of Chloe the cat lover, because I am a cat lover and I have two. So those were some more of my clothes. And then we had the really cute Christmas countdown. So we have that. More doctor's appointments, because like I said, I have a lot. And got these really cute Thanksgiving turkey full boxes. So you could take, like, I have two. That way, like, every day of the month, you can write something down that you're thankful for. Or if you don't want to do them every day, you could do them like weekly, or you could use these on your monthly spread. Planner meetup stickers. I go to a lot of meetups. I like going out and meeting people and talking and just, you know, being with other people who gets it. I mean, if you're a planner girl, maybe you are lucky enough that you have close friends and family that get planning. Most of the time, my sister does, my mom does, but a lot of times, you know, I'm explaining, like, somebody at work will be like, what do you mean you're going to a meetup? What do you do? They have no clue what I'm talking about, and they don't get it. I like going with people who get it. So you can meet, share ideas, see what everybody else is doing. Meetups are just really fun. And I got some Insta IG icons. Use these in my social media. Got the YouTube stickers for all the stuff that I do with my videos. Got the pack your bags for vacations. Because like I said, I go to a lot of trips, so I pack my bags. Got me some cute road trip stickers. I love these rainbow roads. Got more of my don't feel very worky stickers, because I love these. I have totally used a full sheet, so I'm on my second sheet here. Then these super cute little ghosties that I will use all next week. There's TV, planning, grocery shopping. I'll use these this month. The Witch, Payday. So that's why I did my video today, so I could use them when I do my layout, my planner for next week. Planning, coffee, carving a pumpkin, doing some laundry, playing in a box. Just cute. And then here's some planner girls doing all kinds of different little things. Love those. I like a lot of cute stuff in my planner. I mean, I just get tired of writing dishes every couple days or doing laundry. I'd rather just put a cute little sticker there. I know what I'm doing. And as winter gets here, look at the snowmen. How adorable they are. I know a lot of people collect like angels or Santa Clauses. Snowmen are my Christmas thing. I have snowmen everywhere. And then I have the stack of laundry, because it's just another way to show that I'm folding the towels or whatever. Because, you know, you do a couple different loads of laundry. Not all of them's regular laundry. So this is like for me for like towel day. And last but not least, even though it is October, I am going on a Hawaiian vacation next month. So I ordered the Beach Vibe stickers so that I could use these for my week in Hawaii. So do not forget, I will have the links below. 50% off sale ends today, so I'll get this posted ASAP. Mention me in the notes, and the code for the Shopify again is October, and you do not need it on the Etsy site, and the links will be down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.